Are you like me, looking for a windscreen for your GS that has style, comfort, and protection? Well, stick with me for the next 3 minutes and we're going to give you that answer. I want to thank fellow GS rider Paul from National Cycle for providing the product that we're going to test today. So I've got my GS set up with all of the equipment necessary to collect the data. The only thing we haven't done is gotten out there on the road to do the test. Now let's get going. Okay, this is test 1, factory screen. Let's do it. Okay, now let's hold it here, steady at 60. It's still about 85, 95. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. 60 miles an hour. Decimals anywhere from 85 to 95 basically. This is all with the original windscreen. This is the mid-size ZTechnik VStream, and it's that quantum hard-coated polycarbonate. Man, I love the way it looks. Let's see how it tests. Test 2, take 1.
Okay, you're good.
Okay, go. Now there we go. Our decibels. That is 88 to 93. Yeah, that is a lot quieter. Okay, we're going to take this for one more spin with this mid-size Touring, only because I didn't appreciate just how much extra air and protection I had behind this screen. So I'm going to take it back up to a little bit faster speed, over 60, just to see the comfort. So let's try it. Let's just see that comfort behind this. So much better. Wow. There is an absolute quiet. I've had one of these VStreams before, and I rode 44,000 miles with that motorcycle. So my previous BMW, I knew that I liked that. So durability wise, there's no question that I've had that test. So this test, comfort and noise, I don't know, man, it's much quieter than the previous one. Test 3. Okay, so now this is the tall Touring. I wanted to show you side by side so you could see. Now, if you look at this, it's got a little bit more at the top, but a lot more lower down here towards the bottom. So John's gonna mount this up for us and let's just see what it does. Alright, now we're up to 60. Now let's see. Oh my gosh. Wow. 60. The protection at 78. Look at my hand isn't even moving until clear up here. So that's a lot farther above my head. Standing, super comfy. Okay, super comfy standing at even at 50 or 60 miles an hour. Okay, there you have it. We've collected the data. Hopefully that's enough information for you to make your decision. But now, as for me, this VStream, it fits this motorcycle perfectly. Now I'm only 5'4", so that sport touring gives me plenty of protection. I really like the looks. And if you were a taller rider, you might go to their website and use their assessment tool. It'll help you determine what one is right or best for you. So I really want to thank National Cycle for their support on this. And now that I can see clearly, I want you to travel safe, and I will see you out on the road.
I'll take you anywhere.
I'm going to take it one more
Just
time.
tell me I'll be there. We don't need a plan. I like it unprepared. Whatever comes our way.
Okay, now got the decibels going again.